Hello everyone. We, the team of special educators of Birla Education Trust, are going to present how to overcome reading barriers through technology. At first, I would like to explain what is dyslexia or reading disability. Dyslexia or reading disability is a specific learning disability. It is difficulties with accurate and fluent word recognition and by poor spelling and decoding abilities. It is deficit in the phonological component of language. It also includes problems in reading comprehension and reduced reading experiences that can hamper vocabulary enrichment. Reading disability does not include the problems that are the result of visual, hearing, or motor disabilities, or intellectual disabilities, or any other external factors such as cultural, economic, or environmental. Now, it is important to know what skills are affected by reading disabilities. Receptive and expressive language, auditory, phonological processing, visual visual processing, attention concentration, memory, metacognition, organizational skills, social skills. Now, I would like to invite our next special educator, Ms. Vinila Prakash, to explain the effective strategies.
Thank you, Bharti ma'am. Now, I would like to present effective strategies to overcome reading difficulties. Reduce the level of distractions in the room. Always write the page number and exercise number on the board. Combine both auditory and visual stimuli, say it and write it on the board whenever possible. Use videos, demonstrators and concrete materials. Give extra time to the students with learning disabilities to complete classwork and homework. Consider administrating tests in alternative formats such as orally or on the computer. Don't use too many instructions at the same time. Allow time in advance for students to think about items to be covered in the classroom. Set up clear expectations for the behavior. Give positive feedback when the behavior is satisfactory. Target the students' strengths and help them to shine these areas. Assure them that you care how they feel. Assign student buddy for help. If a student cannot read text, use recorded books or assign a peer to read to the student. Upload a read to aloud program so that the students can hear the digital text read aloud. Use multiple choice or matching test instead of full recall test. Provide extra time in on-time test. Use rewards and reinforcements to encourage the student. At the last, use special materials such as computers, spell check, tape recorders, etc. Now, I would like to invite our special educator, Mr. Deepak Prasad, to continue with the presentation.
Thank you, Vinila ma'am. Now I am going to explain reading with text-to-speech software. Why? Because it is a fun and unique way to read. Reading with listening and visualization. Learning pronunciation while listening and reading. Reading anywhere with any electronic gadgets such as mobile phone, laptop, personal computer or tablets. Reading with your own pace and speed. There are many such software available. For example, Natural Reader, Word Talk, Text-to-Speech Reader, Read Aloud, etc. Now I am going to explain about Natural Reader. Why? Because it is easy to use. It can be used for free with many of its features. It has dyslexic friendly font. It is also built in browser. It has more realistic voices. It has floating toolbar while reading. Reading speed can be accommodated as per the reader's convenience. Now I am going to demonstrate how we can work with Natural Reader. To work with Natural Reader, at first we type in the address bar www.natural naturalreaders.com. Now we enter. As soon as we enter, we are in the website of Natural Reader. There are many tabs here. For example, online, software, commercial, web reader, edu, online reader. So if we want to details of any topic, we can just go on the particular tab, we can click and we can get the details. Here I am going to explain about online reader. Why? Because even for my own reading purpose, I use a lot this online reader. I have used online reader with many of my children and I have found that it is very useful for them. So let us see how it works. I click online reader. You can see here there is a text pane. In this text pane, we can drag and drop our files, or we can even type, paste and edit text here. I am going to type one sentence. Reading is a fun. If I want to increase the font size, I can click at A+. You see here. So I click here and you can see that the font size is increasing. We can adjust according to our needs. Even we can decrease by clicking at A-. So the size will be reduced. So I am making it a little larger, and this feature is very useful for children with low vision because they need larger font size to read. Here there is dyslexic font inbuilt with Natural Reader. What is dyslexic font? It is very useful for children with reading disabilities. It is research proven, evidence based. So as soon as I click dyslexic font, you can see the font size and you can see the base of this font. What is happening that it is broader, it is shaded, and it is useful to differentiate between the alphabets, which is the unique characteristic of children with dyslexia. They really struggle to differentiate, but dyslexic font is helpful to make differentiation. If I play here, you see it is going to
Reading is a fun.
As soon as it is reading, you can see there is a floating bar downwards. You can see again.
Reading is a
This
fun.
floating bar. It gives the visualization to the text, and this feature is also unique and helpful for especially children with autism spectrum disorder, because as you know that they are visual learner. And this is really fun to read with this visual text. We can also upload our own documents. We can browse it. For example, open documents. We click open documents. And no matter in what format our document is, either it is in PDF, either it is in Word file or EPUB or PNG, JPEG or a scanned document. Any document we can read with Natural Reader. I am going to upload one PDF file, Digital Detox. And you see it will just take few seconds to upload. I open it. And you can see the whole book is here and Natural Reader is ready to read. So let us see how it works.
Many people are predisposed to addiction. They are more prone than others to form dependencies. When they encounter conflict or stress, they look to the objects of their addictions for comfort. For example, an individual who struggles with alcohol might decide to have a beer after a
When Natural Reader is reading, the floating bar is going on, that visualization of the text, and if the student read with this visual If they follow this, they really enjoy. We can also accommodate the speed of reading. So there is a speed bar here, and you can see the base speed is 0. We can decrease the speed like -1, -2, -3, and we can go on till -9. If you want to increase the speed, we can go downwards. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 9. So according to the child's pace, we can accommodate the speed. To show more detail, I want to decrease the speed -2, and you can see here.
For example, an individual who struggles with alcohol might decide to have a beer after a stressful day at the office. A cocaine addict might decide to do a line following a heated confrontation with her spouse.
Not only we can accommodate the speed, but even we can accommodate the accent of English language. And there is a list of language. In this panel, you can see there are 3 accents: English US David, English US Jaira, English UK Hazel. But we can find more such kind of accents if we buy plus or premium. But for free version, we have these 3. And as we have these 3, we can use free. So I really enjoy to doing this. We can also change this whole document in MP3 by clicking MP3. But again, if we want to use this, we have to buy. But we want it free. Okay. So there are other things. For example, we can auto track text. We can search any keyword. We can bookmark. We can even zoom it or zoom out. We can adjust reading areas. I really want to show you this feature because this is helpful for children with attention deficit disorder, because it makes them focus. You can see here how it works. So we can just cover from front, and from bottom we can also go like this, and it can give areas to read. Okay, these areas I want children to read, and we can cover the other part. What happened in case if you want to do it offline, because many times we don't have internet with us, so we can also download the software. To download the software, we have to click here. We can go software, and we can click, and we can do free download. Because I have in my laptop already downloaded, I'm not going to click this. As soon as the file is downloaded, you can run the program and you can have Natural Reader in your computer. And it works like I explained the online reader, the same working is there. So enjoy reading with Natural Reader. Thank you.